Hello YouTube. Today I have a few free hours. I'm going to get out here and try to get busy and get as much done as I can on the Jeep. So I'm going to set up a time lapse and just enjoy the show. Thank you. So here's the driver's side. I broke one off down there. All those came out. Front bumper came off easy. I broke the middle one off in there. There was already one broken down there, so I'll have to get that out. There's the front bumper. That's not too bad, just that corner, and then there's a few other spots over here that are starting to bubble up a little bit. Here's the fenders. They are just awful. This coating, I don't think they put any primer on it or anything underneath it. It was just peeling off. Hopefully I can save them, that they're not too pitted. I guess I could do a little body work on them. So it's progress. It took me maybe an hour and a half. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around. If you like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button.